Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a mini haul of things I bought this spring, and I wanted to show you not one but two jackets that I bought and they're both faux fur and they're both leopard. Yeah, crazy, right? So this one's more like the traditional leopard. It has like a more like leopard brown yellow tones, and this one is like a snow leopard, so it's more like a white and black. Yeah, crazy. I know I might not keep both of them, so I just want to try them on and show you so you can see and let me know which one you like better. So this one is so soft. I got them from I got it at Saks off Fifth, and it was $70, discounted from off of $250, and yeah, it's cropped and it's so cute. I already wore this last weekend when I went out, and everyone like raved about it. They just gave me great compliments about it. It's so cute. So that's the first one, but I don't think I need two faux fur jackets. I mean, a little overkill, but this one's less structured. I feel like it's a snow leopard one, and it's also so soft and super cute. This one I got off of Poshmark, and I think I got it for $50. And they both have pockets. This one's a little bit more like snug on me, but still, again, super cute. So if you can put the comments down below and let me know which one you like, which one I should sell or return. The other thing I bought for this spring is I got a belt bag from Rebecca Minkoff, and it's black with like these cute little studs. And here's the back of the bag. I got this one from Nordstrom Rack, and it was $60, but it's currently still on sale on Nordstrom.com for $118. So I think I got a really good deal. And it holds a lot. Here's the inside of the bag. It has like this, it's not like a micro suede, but it has like a weird little, like, it feels like micro suede, but I don't think it is micro suede. Background inside, and there's a little pocket in here that you stick cards in, and this surprisingly holds a lot. I'm going to show you what it holds. Here's my Gucci wallet. Stick it in there. My 6 key ring, a little hand lotion, stick it in there, and I have a full-size lip gloss by Rimmel. It's the one I'm wearing right now, and it could fit in there. And I still have like a tiny bit of room on top, so I could probably fit like a pen or like some chapstick. But yeah, it holds a lot. And this style belt bag reminds me of the Gucci Marmont belt bag, and since I like this one so much, I think I'm gonna look for and buy the Gucci one because it's the same style, and I think it looks really cute as a belt bag. I don't know if you can see here, but yeah, it's super cute. The only thing I don't like about this belt bag is the buckle, or these two little tabs. Like I prefer a traditional belt buckle. I don't like these I'll show you closer. They're like two little like tabs that you put into the holes of the belt. The reason why I don't like it is because it just doesn't feel as comfortable. I don't know, I really prefer a traditional belt, but I mean, it works. And this has like a tassel on the zipper, and the zipper opens and closes really well, and it's silver hardware. It's so cute though. I mean, for 60 bucks, you can't go wrong. So thanks for watching my little mini haul. I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe down below, and you can see other videos that I post. And hit the like button if you can. And then also, if you want, follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. See you next time.